Now, I'm not real good at math. I'm going to say that's somewhere around about a 50. Hey y'all, Shane with Damascus Road RV Services. I'm sure you've heard about it. I'm sure you've seen other videos. Well, we're going to make our own. We're going to test with our meter before and after results of when we clean our coils and when we install the RV airflow systems. So keep watching, find out how we do. So I got my meter, and also made this groovy little bowl that will help direct it. Okay, so this is the closest vent to the air conditioner, and we are getting 664 with an average of 570. All right, so let's get to work. All right, so here we are up on top of our fifth wheel. Power is off, so that way there's no possibility of the air conditioner turning on or getting electrocuted by any of this stuff. But today is AC day, so here we are. We're going to clean the coils on this thing. All right, so here we go. So we got the big shroud off, and now on our unit we actually have a metal housing box that covers the evaporator coils. So next we got to get it off. All right, so now we got the front cover off and got the condenser coils exposed. If you look down, you can actually see into the RV. So this is where the RV pulls the air from the inside, and then it runs through here, okay? So you can see it's a little dirty, not terrible, but this is a 2017 unit, and this is the first time I've ever done it. So we're gonna straighten our fins and get the big stuff out, and then we'll squirt her down and see how she looks. So we just take our little cap with the brushes on it and go through here very carefully. So yeah, we're getting some stuff out. All right, so got me some old towels. I'll shove down in this hole to try to prevent anything from getting inside our camper, fifth wheel RV, whichever way you choose to describe your unit. All right, now okay, while that sits, we're going to move to the other side. So same thing, we're going to go across all our coils. If any are damaged, this should straighten them up a little bit, and pulling out any large dirt and debris chunks. If you look closely, I don't know if you can see it, but I can. Every time I go up, I get some dust. Just loosening all this stuff up. Okay, so we got that done. Take me another towel down through here, just to try to keep some of that from getting all over our roof. Let it do its thing and come back and clean them off. All right, it's been about 10 minutes, and you can see a difference in the coils already. Now, on the condensation coils, they will get moisture on them, so we're not going to be too concerned with cleaning them or rinsing them very well. I'm going to wipe them off gently, just to remove some of the excess foam, and then I will spray them just a little bit with just some water, just to give them a head start. All right, I think it looks better. How's it look in the video? Can you tell the difference?
Looks okay.
Just okay. I guess we'll take okay. So here we're on the back. Again, we're just gonna gently wipe them down. if we wipe too hard in a side-to-side motion, we could bend some of the coils slightly. We don't want to do that. So just very lightly wipe it off, and then with our squirt bottle. So notice I got a little bit of grime and debris, like leaves and whatnot, down here at the very bottom. I'm trying to pull some of that out. There we go. Up here a little shinier, obviously a little cleaner. We just see what that does for our performance. All right, so they're clean. I've got the front covered insulator back on. I've got it retaped with the duct sealant tape. Time to put the shroud back on. All in all, probably took us about, start to finish, will take us probably around 20 minutes, I think. So not bad. Let's just trust that it does its job and improves our efficiency. And then we're gonna do our RV airflow systems installation, and that will see the airflow increase. All right, it's Christmas time. Let's open up our presents. So, before I ordered this, I did go online, check all their specs. I checked what my AC was and did all the appropriate measurements to ensure that we ordered the right kit. Now, really nice placard, so you can check again just to make sure that it works for you. Really large, easy instruction sheet. Okay. And some gaskets. And here is our piece of magic. Our vent inserts and a little bit of tape. Okay. And let's not forget our all-important sticker. Gotta love stickers. All right, so we're just going to review their instructions and get at it. Okay, so I've got everything removed, and I've got the excess duct sealant tape removed. So next I'm going to put the gaskets, the seals on the duct inserts. I'm going to tape up and make the plenum area better, and then we're going to put everything in it. All right, so I got my plenum cleaned up and taped up. I've got my gaskets on my duct inserts. Duct insert inserted. Duct insert inserted. And I'm actually going to take some more tape. This is tape they sent. And I'm going to go around my duct inserts. Just get a good seal on that. Okay, so I've got my plenum area completely taped. I've got my duct inserts in and taped. And now for the magic. I guess that's it. Okay, so there it is. So now we'll start putting everything back together. All right, so today we cleaned our coils on our roof, and then we installed the RV airflow system. Now, all in all, these two little projects took us about an hour. The biggest issue we had with doing the RV airflow was reinstalling one of our 4 5/16 bolts that actually hold the AC unit to the RV. Now, in their directions, they tell you to remove and save for later the 5/16 bolts. But in the tools needed list, they do not tell you you need a 5/16 socket. So remember that if you take this project on, that you're gonna have to remove those bolts and you're gonna need a socket that wasn't included in the tools list. Now, to start with, the airflow reading was 664 feet per minute. Okay, now we're gonna see what it is now. All right, so we got 1024. All right, now 664 to start with, 1024 after the RV airflow system was installed. I'm going to say that's somewhere around about a 55% increase, but I'm happy with the results.